if you wanted to revisit it.
Sure.
So like you asked me a question, rather than calling me up for the same question, you can revisit the conversation.
Okay.
So I started a YouTube channel 2 years ago. I've only been sort of serious about it since I got this office a couple months ago.
Yeah.
And there we are.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I go onto YouTube for entertainment purposes mostly,
Yeah.
but I also like to look at some of the news, international news.
Right. Okay, so you asked me about
The cloud.
the cloud. So 365, you can pay $2 a month for 100 gigs.
Yeah. So it's a pay service. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, actually, you get 5 gigs for free.
Uh-huh.
This memory chip is not working here. Let's see here. Let's do this. Is this old? Yeah, I don't know if that's been through. Let's see here. How big is this one?
I suppose I could get a USB
Yeah, you could.
stick and just download. You know, mainly what I'm concerned about is all the images that I had in the pictures file, because I
Right.
spent a lot of time.
Yeah, we saved that.
Oh, okay. That's great, because I'd hate to lose those. I should back it up, but
Oh, there we are.
basically I'm a procrastinator.
It's all right. We all are. No. Okay, so what I'm going to do is drag your stuff over. SBC, there's our Kingston. How big a file is this? 29 gigs, good. Nice and big. So you only have about 4 gigs worth of data.
Oh,
So this is another 5 minutes.
okay.
Good news is it was a slow failure, which is why I was able to get your stuff.
Great.
So, I mean, not a slow failure, a virus, not a drive failure.
Uh-huh.
So misspoke.
Yeah, I had to get the hard drive replaced on it. That was probably about 3 or 4 years ago. I actually bought that in 2014.
Yeah, it's normal behavior after a drive fail. It's usually 4 or 5 years.
Oh. So I'm probably overdue for a new computer, but
Well, I tell people to budget 5 or 6 years.
Really?
So expect after about 5 or 6 years to replace the machine
Okay.
after versus repair it. Which
Yeah.
I mean, a drive failure is sort of a common failure, and
Yeah.
it's the most common failure.
Yeah.
I don't think dumping more than a couple $100 into a repair is worth it after 4 or 5 years, because like that thing has Windows 10. It can't technically take Windows 11,
Right.
but Windows 10 is still valid for another 2 years.
Oh.
So as long as Windows 10 can still take the latest updates, I'd say it's considered valid.
Viable.
Yes, viable is a good word.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, that's good because it until the virus, it was working like a champion.
Right. So virus protection, I think we were talking about ESET.
Or not 32.
Yeah, ESET is the company, not 32 is the product.
Oh, okay.
So if you want, we can install that.
Let's do it.
Let's do that. All right, cool. Let's just bring it over here then. Alrighty.
Might as well get that done.
Yeah. Did I? Oh, okay, remind me. Okay, so let's install Nod 32. You want to put that charger in your pocket before we forget? That
Sure.
gets left behind all the time.
Yeah. I can't lose this one.
Right. That one is yours, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool. I have three of them floating around right now. 3 Dells. Made that mistake. All right.
Yeah, it'd be hard to recharge without this.
Right. Okay, so what we're going to do is, where is, I'll just do this. We'll grab this Ethernet and plug in. Yeah, I'll just do like yesterday. I tore apart a laptop and completely tore it apart and just rebuilt it on camera while I took phone calls.
Really?
Yeah.
Question. How
Yeah.
long have you been doing this? Quite a long time, obviously.
Well, my whole life technically.
Okay.
Been on my own for about 10 years.
Self-taught.
Yeah. Most IT people are.
Okay.
I mean, you can get an IT degree in programming or computer science or management, but unless you're on it all the time, it's so easy. It's considered a perishable skill.
Yeah.
because you get out of date so easily.
Sure. Yeah. I kind of understand that because I was a licensed aircraft mechanic
Oh, all right.
for about 15 years.
Yeah.
But once I left, the license expires and
Right.
you have to retest. And
Right.
technology is changing all the time, even in aviation,
Right.
especially in aviation. So I can understand that.
Internet security. There we go. Oh, we got it. Let's put this camera up. There we go. Now people can look at me. So we're just waiting on your data. There we go. Okay, so let's put ESET on here. Let's see here. Get started. Just give me the thing. Here, do you want to sit?
No, it's okay. I'm
All right.
fine.
I have to offer before I sit.
I'm fine.
Yeah. Download now. Where's the actual link? Thank you very much. Just download, please.
I'm amazed that you're able to use a little keypad because I'm lost without my
Yeah, well,
wireless mouse.
I like my trackball and no one knows how to use it.
Well, I have one of those.
Yeah, I love them because
Yeah.
they save desk space. And,
Right, right.
right,
Well, they're easy too.
right.
Yeah, I wanted to use that when I first bought the computer, but it came with a wireless mouse. So I
Right.
said, well, I'll just use the mouse.
So we're just going to physically install the demo version
Okay.
and then we can pay for it.
Okay.
Or if you want to pay for it later, it doesn't matter, but I'd rather just get you taken care of. Allow all and continue. Okay, skip login.
Oh,
Okay, we're gonna purchase a license, or you can do free trial. You want to just purchase it now?
free trial. If I can download this
Got it.
later, I can do it.
Well, I'm physically installing it now.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and give it your email, and you can buy it later.
Okay.
And they give good volume discounts. So like by the year, or like the more years you get, up to like 5 years, you get a bigger discount.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have my glasses. But,
Do you need me to type?
right there. Okay.
Well, I can do all the typing. You just tell me what you're. All right, just go for it. Oh, hold on. Let me. You're not actually typing. Now
There
go.
we go. Okay. Oh, you know what? I forgot the two.
All right.
That's very important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Type it one more time, right where it says confirm.
Yeah, I missed using this. I've had to go to the public library to get online.
Okay,
Was
you
it
must have
different?
mistyped something.
This must be wrong up here.
Which one's wrong?
Probably the first one. Yeah, it is.
All right. I'm gonna get another memory stick. That memory stick's taking forever. Hold on. Why is it taking forever?
Okay, I think that's right. It looks like I gotta have. Should have brought my glasses.
It's all right. Well, I can do it for you if you need me to do the typing.
Okay, as long as I don't have two S's there, I'm okay. You know what? Let's do this. Start over. There. That should be right.
Okay. Oh yeah, you forgot the dot in the second one. So there's a dot
Oh.
after the R, right?
Right, right.
Oh, and then Verizon's not right.
Oh.
Let's see here.
Like a vision here. I can't really see it.
Let's see here.
blind without my glasses.
Now let's see if that works. There we are. Good. So now we're gonna install it.
Outstanding.
Yeah. Okay, good. I got a bigger, faster memory stick here.
Okay.
That other memory stick was taking too long. You'll notice it's going to be a little bit faster. It's totally up to date as of 2 days ago.
How often do you have to update this program, or does it do it automatically once you get the subscription?
Once you get the subscription, it'll update all the time.
Okay.
But Windows needs its updates also. And ESET will tell you that you're out of date. And because it's a laptop, it's not always up to date, because if the updates get pushed throughout the day or throughout the week, and the laptop happens to be not used for a few days, you do want to manually make sure both Windows and ESET are up to date.
Okay. Well, I've got a program to where the updates are usually done automatically at a certain time.
Yeah, but it's a laptop, so if it's off,
oh, right,
and passes that time while it's off, well,
Yeah.
then you're, there we are. So it's doing its first thing.
I generally try and do that right before I shut down every other day.
Right.
So, but I know I get stuff every day, so I have to stay on it.
Let me see here. Why is that memory chip taking so freaking forever? Let me try this.
Question on that virus I got. Does it override part of the system at all? And
yeah, there's some basic virus protection built into Windows.
yeah.
So ESET does bypass that and turn off the internal virus protection, yes.
Okay.
Hold on just a second. I'm trying to see if I can get your data to move over a little fast. Ah, there we go. Let's see how this works. Not now. Let's see here. Copy this PC. Let's just delete this. We'll do this.
Have a seat.
All right. Security. Okay, so your free trial will be expired in 30 days.
Okay.
Good. Let's just do this. See if this happens any faster. All right. So this machine's all good.
Wow. Yeah, it looks like it downloaded pretty quick. Huh?
Yeah, before it wasn't. Good. There we go. So it was giving us day-long estimates. And it's not going to take an hour. That'll drop to a few minutes in a second. So there we are. Virus protection. Okay, so that's right. You were talking about cloud backup.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's. Do you know if you have a Microsoft account?
You know, I do, but I don't know how to access it. I think I tried setting it up at one point.
Okay, so for free, you can get 5 gigs free, and you only have less than 5 gigs of data. So let's just see if it works with your Verizon account. Let's just humor it since we're there and you asked about it.
Yeah.
Oh. Go ahead and try to sign into it.
Okay.
If you don't know it, we can reset your password. And that way you have 5 gigs of free online backup, which includes pretty much everything that you have. Good. Okay, so try your password. We knew now with confirmation, I can tell you the way that it just behaved tells me your email is tied to an account. So go ahead and guess your password, or we can reset it.
Probably reset it.
Okay, let's just reset it. We're gonna go forgot password. Okay, so do you have access to your email?
Yeah.
You know your password to your Verizon?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. We checked it when you were here last time.
Yeah.
So let's go check your mail. We're gonna go get
Oh,
that
it's gonna
code.
send us a code.
Yeah, so you're gonna go check your email. So let's go to AOL.com and go ahead and log in.
I only have the AOL.com because I had Frontier. I had a bundle Frontier account at one time,
Right.
and they kicked off the email portion of it to Verizon, AOL,
Right.
and not real. I was never an AOL fan. I never had a subscription to it. I started off with Earthlink, and I probably ought to get like Gmail or something like that as a backup.
Yeah, I'm not thrilled with the way Verizon, like you have to go to AOL to check your Verizon email. That's kind of silly.
Yeah.
And then AOL is not the way you sign. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm taking myself off topic.
That's okay.
Yeah, hit that blue next. May as well stay signed in. Type that password. Oh, hold on. Sorry. There you go. Good. So now let's go get that code.
That's just temporary code.
Yeah, that number is not one you would remember.
Okay.
That's just a temporary code. Copy. Control V. Let's do that. There we go. There. Give it a password you know. Create a password for the Microsoft account.
Okay. Do. This can also be changed at a later
Yes.
date too. Okay.
Type it again to confirm.
Okay.
Sign in. Type your password that you just created.
Oh, the password.
That you just created, yeah.
Okay.
Good. So now you get basically 5 gigs of data storage for free, and then you can pay $2 a month if you needed to, which you're kind of close to, because you see you get 5 gigs of free backup.
Mm-hmm.
There, they're selling you an upgrade, which $6 isn't something you need right now, because if you don't need Word or Excel,
Yeah,
that's what that would come with.
I see.
But I mean, I don't know what kind of data you have.
Nothing important.
Is it just pictures?
Yeah, basically I use my computer for internet and entertainment purposes. I don't do anything financial or anything like that on this computer.
Okay, let's check out this $2 upgrade. Yeah, see, this is what I'm thinking you might want to do. You get 100 gigs for $2 a month.
I can afford that.
Yeah, let's do that, because you right now you're covered by the free amount, but you're very close to over exceeding that.
Okay.
So for $2 a month, you get 100 gigs of backup. So that way, if anything happens to this machine, you get your stuff
Yeah.
just by signing in on new hardware. So let's just sign in. You have your credit card with you?
Yeah.
Go ahead and give it your numbers, or if you need me to do any of the typing, that's fine.
Oh, this is the part that I'm a little concerned about.
That's fine.
See, I don't like doing credit card numbers and everything on here, so I'm just going to use this one.
Right.
I have a limit on this card, so
Right.
you know. I can always change this password too later on, right?
Yes.
Okay. You got sticky keys here.
It's all right.
Uh,
You can replace that keyboard relatively easy too, if it needs to.
well, it's an old computer, so I'm
Yeah,
just gonna
but it's
stick
probably
with it.
it's probably a $30 keyboard, relatively affordable, and easy for me to do too. I don't have like this other laptop I just rebuilt. I had to spend 3 hours tearing apart to put it back together.
Yeah. For some reason, I'm hitting this key. It doesn't want.
Yeah,
to
so that you get a failing keyboard. Which here, let's just for temporary sake, let's use another keyboard. Let me get over there so I can grab one.
Okay.
We'll just plug one in. Judo. Judo. Let's put this here. Yeah, why don't you hold that for a second? Good, so let's see if hold on, you're not typing. Let's start over. Oh, here, put this in your lap. Let's try that. So we have access to that. Okay, now try the numbers. Is it not working? Let me see. Is the keyboard not working? That's weird. Hold on, give it a second. Oh. Oh, hold on.
Delete.
Try it again. The delete's working, but the number's not working. That's weird. Oh, now it's working. Good. Hold on. What numbers are we missing here?
7-1.
Let me get another keyboard. This is ridiculous here. Dealing with a bad keyboard here. Let me.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
Yours isn't working either.
Annoying. You know what? You keep old keyboards thinking you're doing yourself a favor. Let's see here. Guess that one goes in the trash. Okay, so we have a brand new one that's never been used. Right here. And we'll check on the cost of that keyboard too. Because if it's only a $20 keyboard, it would be beneficial to have a working one.
Well, I could always buy a cheap external one.
Yeah, but then you don't have the luxury of a laptop.
Yeah, that's true.
So let's just do this. Annoying. Your internal keyboard's not working 100%. There we are. This one's brand new. There. Now this one's gonna work. Hold on, let's start over. Okay. Give it your numbers. Oh, you know what? No spaces are allowed. Don't type the spaces.
Oh, okay.
That might have been part of the problem.
Well, here.
Oh, go ahead.
Let's take this off. Try.
Right. Got it.
I'm sure this is.
Yeah,
just
you were
fine.
typing spaces. That was throwing the computer off. All right. So it was working. Good. There. Type your name on the card.
Oh, card
Name.
City. Okay.
Good. That's no, not card. The name on the
Expiration
card. The
date?
name.
Oh,
Your name.
My user.
It knows the bank already. Yes.
Okay. Do you no spaces?
Well, as on the card is usually what they mean. So let me see. Here, caps lock. There you go. Don't do caps. You don't need to.
Okay.
Well, you're all caps now, but all right. You did a comma at the A. Hold on. It's all right. A. And then type your last name. Good. And now do the date.
Okay, got it.
Type.
Man.
You gotta. Yeah, I'm sorry. I said type. They want to drop down. What? Okay, 3 digits. Then they want the billing address.
Okay. Okay, I gotta use periods on this one because it goes to a P.O. box. Yeah. Oh, forget it. It's all caps.
Here. No, that's not doing anything. That's not plugged in. State. What's California?
California.
Zip code. Type that.
Okay.
I don't think you need those extra digits.
All right.
There we go. I didn't like that number. Something's incorrect. Let's type it again.
All right. This would be better done on my own time.
Well, I'm here to help to make sure it gets done correctly and you don't get frustrated or.
Oh, I've got patience. Chris, I've had to do all this stuff before, you know.
Yeah. Well, if you're out of your element, I understand. You just want the problem to go away. Certain things, like I pay my mechanic to fix my car. I don't have the time to screw around with it.
Yeah. Trust me, I've spent some time downloading things before. I've had to learn myself. Everything's a learning experience when it comes to doing computer work.
Well, I think everything in general is a learning experience.
Well, but especially for me, since I didn't grow up with this technology. I mean,
Right.
you're talking to somebody who's basically a 20th century guy with one foot in the 21st century.
It's all right. Good. So we're going to sign into your account one more time. Oh, you already signed in. Good. So now we're just waiting on your data.
Okay.
Good. So that's pretty much good. You got your virus protection. You're going to be backed up as soon as that finishes moving your stuff over. There we go. Now let's, while we're waiting, let's put that and make sure that we don't forget that here.
Yeah, what was this?
Okay, it's totally up to date. And there we go. You're all set. All right.